Hello, everybody. For the past week, I've been trying to short the crypto market, but every time I got stopped out. So, yeah, that's why I'm convinced that algo trading does a much better job than we as humans. Um, so, yeah, that's why most of my money is in the algo trading. So let's have a look at Bybit copy trading. We're now at $2,261. So we started with 1,000. So that's already 120% increase. And let's have a look. So from the past trades, we started here on the 6th of the 7th month. So that means in 4 months time, the account got more than doubled, which is really good. And in the meanwhile, I got some achievements, apparently top ROI in the top 30, win streak. So yeah. And I've seen a couple of days ago, I had 6 followers, now only 4. So that means that people are really short-term thinkers. They just want to follow quickly. They see they don't get enough money and then they just stop. So yeah, if you would have stayed for 4 months from the beginning, then you would have already had doubled your account. But no, people are choosing just the quick bucks. So as long as the market stays bullish, also the algo will stay bullish. And since we can't time the market, the algo will say at a given moment, okay, the pullback is too much, we stop, we take profit, and that's it. Then you can have your party in Saint-Tropez in France, for example. So let's have a look at the charts. So here we have Bitcoin on the 1 hour, nicely long, Ethereum 1 hour long also. Then let's go to XRP, also doing very well for the moment. Lots of bullish news. Unfortunately, we got. Oh, let's remove those trades. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Trades on charts. Up. No. Ah, there we go. So unfortunately, we had this exit signal over here because we touched the stop over there, and if it wasn't because of that, then at least we would still be trading with those 2 entries. But okay, the next 2, they were in the same range, so no, I'm fairly happy with it. So let's see the first entry until now. This is almost 24.5% gain, and the second one was over here. This one is at almost 20. Then let's have a look. Bitcoin, of course, doing very well. So 10 buy signals in a row over here, and we're all the way up. That's also something you can see in the copy trading. Let's see. Statistics. No, where is it? Here, this one. So Bitcoin, we're up $825, Ethereum 68, XRP 109, and then Solana also doing very well, 351. So here we can see Solana for the moment plus 12%, very nice. Ethereum today almost plus 3, and then XLM did come down and is now going up, a little bit more than 1%. Then what else do we have? I think that's about it for the crypto market. Or maybe let's have a look here. Yeah, this is an important one which I also wanted to mention. This is how is it called? Binance Basis Oscillator. So actually this one will compare the price of the spot market to the what's it called again? The leveraged market, the futures market. Yeah, that's it. So, and every time the price on the futures market gets over a certain threshold, it will be marked here in white. And once the spot price is higher, then it means that nobody is trading with leverage. So that's fairly bearish. So, and as we can see here, this I really like this one, because you see here once we go into the red zone, then it calls the tops, and once we get in the green, then it doesn't call the bottoms, but they're really nice points for accumulation. So as you can see here at this point A, it became green, and then all the way down you could have accumulated more Bitcoin. We got a little bump up here in the white, and then we did come down again, and now we all this period we were in the green. And then now since let's see, the 1st of November we got into the white. So it means leveraged traders are coming in, so the speculators, the ones who want quick money. And yeah, now we're gonna have to see what will happen, whether this trend can continue until we're up in the red, or do we get a reversal like we had over here, and then yeah, maybe the market will come down or just stabilize as we had over the past months. So this chart is a bit busy, so let's see what we can remove. Maybe this one. Those yellow blocks, that's also something that I'm following now. Those are fair value gaps, which is also quite an interesting theory to trade from. I took like 5 trades on the 5-minute Ethereum chart, and as soon as you touch the bottom or the top, like in this case, you would short it. And then once the candle close, I also close my position. And so for now, I have 5 out of 5 trades which were profitable. So, and it seems to work on all time frames. For now, I've just done the 5 minutes just to have some quick results to see how good it works. But yeah, so those are gaps to watch. But it doesn't necessarily mean that it will give you a reversal. Sometimes it does. Like here you can see this one. We did come all the way down to this fair value gap, and then yeah, we got this whole bull run. So, but sometimes it's just a few. No, this one is also a nice one over here. Come down, touch it, just the top of the fair value gap, and then we did go all the way up. So, but sometimes it's just a touch. You get a low reaction, and then it continues the trend. So on top, what do we have? So we have here the anchored VWAP in red. Maybe this one can become green because it might become support now. So the volume weighted average price from the all-time high. It was resistance. We were accumulating over here, and now we're pushing up. Now, where's the next one? So I have here this daily order block in red. Maybe this one will give reversal. It's always good to take some profit over here, but I would not suggest to close the whole your whole trading account. I see there's also a very minuscule fair value gap. If you want to have this indicator, it's this one, the last one, the fair value gap from Spaceman BTC. What I have done is I made everything yellow over here. It doesn't really matter whether it's bullish or bearish, you can find it out yourself. And then if you want to see the old ones, let's see. Then you can see how price is reacting to it. For example, we have this one over here. You can see price went completely through it and it never reacted on it. But then we have this one, for example. You get a nice rebounds and then bam, all the way down up to the next one. And then we got a very nice push up. So also here we had 2 of them, got completely ignored, went through it. And then look, then we wick on this fair value gap and we did go up a little bit. So this would have been how much profit? Like 2.56. So for really short scalps, this looks interesting. This one got ignored. but then here, if you would have entered on this one, you would have also made like a small profit. So this one would be 1%. And then if you want to take more risk and wait for the second bar to close, then it would have made almost 9.5% of profit. But most of the time it gives a reaction. Also here a small one, or actually two. Price went completely through it and then all the way down. This one, I got not a nice reaction. Like this one here as well, price went above it and then retraced back below the fair value gap. If you would have waited till the next candle, then you would have made a bit more profit. So from here to this, so that's a 2% profit. Also here, come down to this big one, go up. And I've noticed that once it got tapped, the next time you touch it, it doesn't really give any feedback anymore. Also here, this one, look at this one. This was a really nice one. So it's just at the top, and then it come all the way down, 11.63%. So yeah, if you want to experiment with this, it's quite an interesting one. So delete the old ones. And there we go. So yeah, that's the first resistance that I see. So that will be 39. Yeah, the 39 to 40k region. I would say rather 40k. It's a nice round number. So that's what people usually are looking at. But I wouldn't short it when we are there. I'll wait for my algos. I don't want to lose too much anymore. All right, let's see. Traditional markets. Then we have the Nasdaq. We got two buy signals over here, but it looks a bit toppy. We had the high over here. Actually, you can remove this fib. We had this high over here. It looks like we are taking the liquidity above it and we're coming down from it. So also here we have a nice gap. So usually gaps get filled. So we might come back into the 14,700 region. Euro USD got a buy signal and price is coming down to a rest for the moment. Then crude oil got hammered in the past days. Now it looks like we're finding some support. For the moment, there are no trades, at least not from an algo point of view. And then also copper, still nothing, but we ended up in a nice support range. We did push up, coming down a bit. Now let's see in the coming days what will happen. And then gold and silver. Gold, we got out almost at the top here. Now we have again this zone with confluences of all kinds of volume weighted average prices from different highs, different lows. So it looks like they will all turn into support. So I can mark them green for the moment since price is above. It's not written in stone. Sometimes it happens that it pops up and then comes down all the way again. So this is to be seen. But from an algo point of view, nothing to do. And then looking at silver. Yeah, also here we have this zone with different volume weighted average prices coming together. Yeah, it's a bit difficult zone just to see it like this. If this Elliott wave count is correct, so here we have the end of the C wave, so it means we're starting a new bull run. So we're gonna have to see. Let's see the volume. Is volume picking up? Oh, this one doesn't have volume. Ah, now it's coming up. No, it doesn't really look like. We got a lot of volume here at the bottom. So that usually marks indeed that this is the bottom. But for the moment, volume is not picking up. So maybe we might come down a bit more and then pick up some steam. So here we got the exit signal. So that means just with the naked eye that we had some... the first one was in a loss and the second one looks like a break even. So yeah. Good. I think that's all I wanted to discuss. All right, good. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.